Hi there, I'm Steve Knutson, Microsoft MVP for Office Services and Apps. I'm going to do a wee demonstration of the highlighted content web part. This web part is really useful for rolling out content across SharePoint. It's search based, so it can pull content from anywhere within SharePoint and display it on any page within SharePoint. So I'm just going to show my starting point here. I'm in a document library called Safety Documents, and this library itself has got 5 documents in it, and it also has a few custom metadata columns, one of which is called Business Unit. Now my business unit column, you'll see here, has got 3 documents tagged with HR and 2 tagged with finance. On my home page, I've got a highlighted content web part configured. So this web part could be placed on any page within SharePoint and any site, including communication site or team site templates. If I edit the page and then edit the web part, just have a quick look at some of the options that we get with the highlighted content web part. So starting from the beginning, we have at the top, we have the filter and custom query options. We have our source location, where we can specify where the documents are coming from, and you'll see within this, it's got a variety of sources, including this site, so any document libraries in the site collection, the site pages library within the site, any sites connected to a hub, this one is associated with if it's a hub, and selected sites, or all sites. So you can specify your source site location, and then within it, because I've chosen document library, I get a choice here of the library itself. I can also choose the different types of documents. I have the ability to add filtering, including adding filters for things using managed terms. I have audience targeting and then layouts at the bottom of the screen. Now, in order to do the custom query, what we use here is a language called CAML. Now, this has been around in SharePoint for a long time, and so many people either love it or hate it, but I'll just give you a quick demonstration. So what we're going to do here is we're going to filter any item which has the word HR in the business unit field. So I'll just paste my query in. Now this query I'll put onto my blog. In here, you'll see a field called business unit. So this is the name of the field we're looking for. You'll see that its data type is choice, and you'll see that the field value we're looking for is HR. So I'm just going to narrow this down a wee bit. You'll notice the 5 documents on the side over here. As soon as I hit apply, the content query is going to run, and it's going to query and filter the documents over here. So now, just through the use of a simple query, I've had the ability to produce a document which basically produce a filtered view, which will allow me to roll up content anywhere within my site. A scenario where you might want to use this is where you've got site-specific documents, but you want them pulled from a central library. Thank you. If you did enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel.